Good morning. It is Daryl with the Automatic Trade Desk bringing you automatic trading today. 3/6/23, 11:04 a.m. and change Pacific time. Current price over here. We're trading 8 contracts on the NQ today. All automatic, all strong automatic trading. We're in an open P&L. We're short right now. Our target's below, our stop's above. We're currently short. This is our bracket order right here. Bracket order is a collection of orders which includes your entry, which is surrounded by a target and stop. So bracket order right here, target below, stop above, we're short. Open P&L right here, 78.75, okay? 8 contracts on the NQ. Close P&L 78.75, open P&L around 1500. Okay, how did we get there? First of all, automatically, right? And daily candlestick is right here. You can see we've been higher and we've been pushing down. That's our price action for the day. No one knows whether we'll hit our target or stop here first, by the way, okay? No one knows the next tip of the market. This is automatic trading, trading a data set. We'll check back in on this trade in a little bit. Okay, checking back in on this short that we're in, target below, stop below. You can see above. You can see we're getting very close to our target down here, but no one knows what the next tick of the market is. Once again, daily candlestick over here. Kind of interesting thing about the daily candlestick too over here, by the way. Let's take a look at it real fast. I'm just going to expand this. Let's take this line right here. First of all, look at between these 2 days. See the close right here at my crosshairs on this red candlestick? See the close and then the open here? So we had a gap there between the close and the open right there. A gap right there. Okay, so what's significant about that? Let's bring this line down. Look at price action. Let's go with that close and see if we filled the gap. Look at price action today, okay, on the NQ. Boom, right to filling that gap. Nothing to do with automatic trading, but a very interesting thing in price. Here we are, once again, taking a look at our trade, and we're still just flirting around. We're in positive territory, but not hitting our target. So we'll check back in a little bit. Okay, we're still just kind of basing around here in positive territory. Target below, stop above. Let's talk about the trades a little bit. See the stop? See how it's the same distance away as the target? Yes, these are 100 tick targets, 100 tick stops. So our bracket order, we can say, is 100 ticks, since we have a target 100 ticks away and a stop 100 ticks away. So we're trading a 100 tick bracket order. We're on a range bar today. In fact, these bars have nothing to do with time at all. Once they print the same number of ticks, they close a bar and form a new bar. So, couple little things you can see. Here we are, we're down here low again, but look at how on these candlesticks, look at how all these tails kept pushing up. Okay, so we have to pop through that a little bit. There we go. Now we're getting ready to take out some stops and hit target. Automatic trading, okay? Amazing automatic trading. 100 tick targets, 8 contracts on the NQ. $5 a ticks, $500 a contract. 8 times 500 is 4,000 a trade, as you can see with our P&L. Close P&L, 11,865, just hit our target right before your eyes. Okay, so we're waiting to get into another trade. We haven't hit our maximum P&L yet, so we'll be doing that shortly, and we'll check back on this trade a little later. Okay, checking back in on the trade, 8 contracts. We have, as you remember, completed this short, hit target. Then what did we do? We went long. Currently printing in positive territory, okay? Our target's above, stops below. So we've been short, daily candlestick right here. Then the algo went long. So we'll check back in a bit. Okay, checking back in on the trade. As you remember, this is what we went long, and this is what's left over of our last long, okay? So we stopped out. Then what happened? We went short, and we've been in this short all this time. Target below, stop above. We're going to do an end-of-day close in about 30 seconds or so of the American stock market. Automatic, because we didn't hit our max P&L either way. No one knows the next tick of the market. I prefer to get out with all the other pros, and when all the volume comes in, you can see some of it right now. We've got about 10 seconds or so left in the market at this time. And we're going to have an automatic end of day close. We're short 8 contracts. There we go. Short. We hit a little bit of a profit target there at the end as an end of day close. So our total 86.20 for the day. We leaned into the market, took a stop, and had another profitable trade for an end of day close with all the volume there you see. 86.20. 1 p.m. Pacific time, 3/6/23, automatic trading. The results speak for themselves.